A website is accessed by different devices: mobile phones, laptops, desktops. Now, one work you have to do is to make sure that the images in the website are responsive, so that no matter the device being used, the user gets a good and fit image for his or her device. You have devices of different resolutions, different screen sizes. So we have to think about how to manage our images so that the right image is served to the right person. HTML provides a way to provide certain images based on the person's screen size or resolution. Now we're going to talk about that in depth, and this is going to be a practical session. Here we have a definition of responsive images from ImageKit.io. So it's a set of techniques used to load the right image based on the resolution, orientation, screen size, network connection, and page layout. Now, without these responsive images, the browser might stretch the image, thereby making the image look blurry.